Welcome back to another video on the most famous beach in Formentera, Ses Illetes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Ses Illetes is Formentera's most famous beach. The crystal clear water and coral sand are eye-catching. Despite its natural charm, Ses Illetes has an elegant atmosphere with beach clubs and restaurants serving a variety of cuisines. Enjoy fresh seafood and Mediterranean cuisine while taking in breathtaking sea views. Ses Illetes is accessible by boat, and many tourists arrive by private yacht or take boat trips from nearby locations. Due to the clear waters surrounding the beach, anchor boats are a popular choice for those exploring the island from the sea. The beach is easily accessible by car or bicycle, and parking is available nearby. Additionally, ferries run regularly between Formentera and neighboring Ibiza, making it a popular day trip for those staying overnight on the larger island. Ses Illetes Beach is a testament to Formentera's natural beauty and commitment to environmental protection. The combination of soft sand, crystal clear waters, and stunning surroundings makes it a must-visit for anyone looking for a quiet and idyllic Mediterranean beach experience. Thanks for watching.